Hello guys, Jairam here. In this video, we are going to learn how to use JIRA for bug tracking, bug defects. So this is very important tool, and most of the big organizations are using this tool, and this is providing very vast aspects of tracking the bugs, whether you are working with agile methodologies or normal web development or finance management or HR system or IT services ticket tracking. All these things are accommodated in this JIRA. So let us see what we can cover in the JIRA. So in this video, we will cover the JIRA introduction, JIRA project overview, JIRA boards, JIRA issues, and JIRA workflow. So what is JIRA? So basically, JIRA is a agile project management tool used by teams to plan, track, release, and support world-class software with confidence. Here, confidence means the end user who is going to use your application, your web application, or mobile app, or desktop application, should have confidence in your application. So, JIRA is helping you, that organization or that team, to deliver a product on which people will have confidence. So JIRA is based on 5 concepts. First is plan, second is track, third is collaborate, fourth is launch, and fifth is report. Who uses JIRA? So basically JIRA was launched in 2002, and basically it was launched to use for tracking of issues. Then after that, there are approximately 65,000 companies are using this tool to support different type of projects and work on different perspective, and also supporting thousands of applications and integrations. And this app is helping across, whether it's a financial, retail, software, high tech, automotive, non-profit, government, life sciences, and many more verticals, stay organized and efficient. So this single tool is helping in different verticals. Now, for whom JIRA can be used? So JIRA is basically as a collaborative tool where project can be managed, bug can be tracked, and different product development can be done there. So basically JIRA is for teams. That team can be agile team, project management team, software development team, DevOps team, product management teams, task management, bug tracking, or requirement and test case management. Everywhere this tool can be used. Some important features of JIRA. So if you talk about the important features, JIRA is basically, when it was developed, it was used as an incident management tool, and till now it's a incident management tool. It's treated like that. It was developed by Altasian Inc., an Australian company, and this is platform independent. You can use this tool in any operating system because its web version is always accessible on any operating system. It's also multilingual, so if you're English, then English, then either French, German, Japanese, Spanish, this can be used. And in the backend, JIRA supports MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, and SQL Server as well. And this tool JIRA can be integrated with other tools as well, like Subversion, Git, ClearCase Team, Foundation Software, Mercury, Concurrent Version System, and many more. If we talk about license and free trial, so basically there are 4 licenses are there. One is the free, and free for 10 users and forever. So JIRA is not going to charge for 10 users, and there are limited scope, limited storage, and 100 automations can be possible there. Then there is a standard one, and everything you need to get started. So if you're looking to start with JIRA and some better features or a functionality of the JIRA. Then standard one is the recommended to take the license. But if you want to try, trial version is also there. 14 days trial you can use this one. In this standard you can use there is a, in addition of this free, you can have roles and permission, external collaboration, multi-region data residency, 1700 automation per site per month, and a storage 250 GB. Here is 2 GB, here is the 250 GB. 95 regional support and unlimited users can be here. Here only 10 users in the free one. Then there is a premium. In addition to the standard, the premium is there, and in the premium you can see lots of new features are here. So if you're looking to start with the premium, you can use this one. This is the charge per month per user. It's a $7.16 per user per month. This is $12.48 per month per user per month. This is also, you can use this one as a trial for 14 days. And if you have bigger demand, bigger usage, and like these are the thing, cross product insight and analytics and data lake is there, advanced admin control, security, enterprise grade identity and access management, unlimited automations are there, multiple instances can be there, 24/7 support for all the issues, and 99.95 uptime. So this is the enterprise level license. So what are the steps to get started in JIRA? So basically there are 7 steps to get started in JIRA. First is the create a project, pick a template. Template can be Scrum, Kanban, bug tracking. Then we also choose the project type, like team management projects, company managed projects. Step 3, set up your columns. Step 4, create an issue. Step 5, connect your tools. Step 6, invite your team. Step 7, move forward with the work, right? So now JIRA project overview. Till now you talk about the theoretical aspect. Now you see how practically we can go inside the JIRA and we can create the. So basically this is the if I open the website Altasian JIRA, I'm just typing JIRA. So you see here JIRA software is there. So this is the official website of Altasian, and here is the JIRA. So you can create your like work email you can provide, then by your domain you can create your workspace and you can register. So I have my account created here. So if you see, here is the projects. So the first step is the create project. So good thing is that there are different project templates are here, like software development. Software development, there are Kanban, Scrum, top level planning, cross team planning, product roadmap, and bug tracking templates are there. Similarly, if you are looking to import data to new project, you can import from here. Then there are different projects like service management type of project. Then you can use these templates: blank, IT services, general service, customer service, HR service, finance service, facilities, marketing, analytics, legal, sales service, design, IT services. There is a work management, then document approval, campaign, recruitment, budget, procurement, content, personal, month end, policy, asset, event planning, RFP, email campaign, lead tracking, IP, performance review. So these are the all work related project templates. Similarly, there is a product, marketing, human resource. So if there is HR service and HR is looking to manage works here, they can use the JIRA and use this project template. Then there is a finance, design, personal, operations, legal. These all are the project templates whenever you want to start. I'm choosing here the software development template. Like first is a Kanban, second is the Scrum. So if I go to choose the Kanban, if I then use this template, you can see what is the project template. Then there is a team managed and company managed, two types of project type. So if I'm looking some control over the projects by my different teams in my organization, then I'll choose the team manage. Setup, this is set up and maintained by your team. And if I'm looking to global setup for my all the projects, all the uniformity for all the teams, then I'll go with the company managed. So always recommended to go with the team managed projects. Here you can put the project name, like I'm giving my first project, right? Access level, it will be private, limited and open. The private means only those people will access this project to whom I invite. Limited means on anyone with access to my this domain of JIRA can have site can search for view and comment on this project's issues. Only people you add to the project can create and edit. So limited is like people can view, but if I'm looking to people to add and edit something on issues, then I have to add them. Open is for everyone who has access to this my subdomain ultimatetech.altasian.com, and people can search, create, edit this project and issues. So it's always recommended to choose this private one. One key ID is generated based on the name of this project, and if I just proceed, my project is in creation stage. This is summary. So my project is created, right? So once you have created your project, your first page land is the board. This is the JIRA board. So if I go to the my slide, this is the project overview. What is a project? Project is typically a collection of tasks. So there are many things to be accomplished within a project, and these things are known as tasks, and combination or combined collection of tasks are known as project. And in JIRA, project can be thought of as a container used to organize and track those tasks or issues across the entire team. And basically, the key elements of JIRA projects are issues, people, and workflow. Issues means what are the tasks or things we need to work on. So, in the project, those tasks are known as issue in JIRA. People who are going to collaborate and work together to accomplish those tasks. Workflow. Workflow means what is the status of the task, like it's open, in progress, or completed. So issues and people work together for the issue. People work for the issues, and workflow transition from status of the projects tasks. JIRA project template, then Kanban template, and Scrum. So Kanban I have already chosen. I shown to you. Kanban is just to, if you are just focusing on to like work progress, I want to see continuously flow of work should be taken care of, then you can use Kanban. But if your team is a Scrum team and following the agile methodologies, there is a sprints, some time boxed sprints are there, then we will follow the Scrum template. So I have chosen a Kanban. Later on I'll show you the example of a Scrum template. So how you can create the Scrum? So if I'm going to create my new project, here I'm choosing a Scrum. Use this template and select the team managed. This is team managed project. Choosing my same access level team. Next. So it's created. So you can see the my project is also created here. So the bigger difference between Kanban and Scrum is, you can see here is a backlog. So backlog is always related to the Scrum board, and wherever there is agile, then there is a sprint. You can see here the different sprints are there, and we map the sprints with different tasks. So project type, we have already discussed that there are two types of project type: team managed and company managed. Team managed, if you want to give autonomy to the project manager or his team to manage project, then you always create the team managed projects. And if you are globally apply across the company, all the projects would follow the same style of working, then you should use the company managed. This is the difference. So like team manager, I've already told you, this project type is for the teams who want simplified configuration and more control over their own working process and practice in a self-contained space. And then company manage, this project type is for teams who want to work across multiple projects with the multiple teams in a more standardized. There is a standard who all are following. Company managed projects are managed by JIRA administrator, but team managed projects are managed by the project administrators, right? So here configuration is simplified. Here configuration needs some expertise. Now JIRA boards. I've already told you that whenever we are creating any project, we are landing into the JIRA board. Whether it's I have created two projects. One is the my first project I created, which was the, you can see this was the Kanban based, and team managed. This is the Scrum board, board. So basically, we are following the Scrum methodology here, agile methodology. The JIRA boards are like a board display selection of issues in columns, with each column representing a step in your team's workflows for taking work through completion. A board completes each JIRA project by default and provides the team with a shared view of all work that has not started, work that is in progress, and work that is completed. So you can see, if tasks are here, to do we'll put here, in progress put here, and to do put here. So this is the general view as we can see here, right? To do's, in progress, done. So types of, one is the Scrum board and one is the Kanban board. I have already shown to you. In this board, there is a backlog, and in this board there will be no backlog, only issues will be there. We already talked about Scrum and Kanban. Learn through experience in the Scrum, experience and reflect on wins and losses to improve. Use visuals to better understand capacity and improve work in progress. So here backlog is there, sprint is there, insights are there. Here only columns and work in progress limits is there. So most important thing is the JIRA issues. What are the JIRA issues? So in JIRA, teams uses issue to track individual piece of work that must be completed. Depending on the use of JIRA, an issue could be represent a project task, a helper ticket, or leave request form, etc. Issues typically represent individual work items such as big features, user requirements, and software bugs. You can update issues to show work progress or add relevant information so as to who is assigned to the work in the description or attachment. So let us see how we can create a, like we are creating here, my first task, right? So one task is created here. So if I open this in detail, so you can see here, like there is assignee, this task is not assigned to anyone, so let me assign to me. You can put here labels, like just I'm putting hello, or I can write also new levels here. Is there any parent to this task? As this is the first task, so there is no parent. Teams, I can create a team and assign this task to a team who is reporting, the person who is logged in. And there are different actions are there. This is the status of this task, to do. So while creation, I can put in progress also, right? So this task has been created in progress. So see, I've changed the status. It's now in from to do to in progress, right? I can create more tasks. Second task, right? Oh, sorry. Second task. Why this is happening? Right. This is a second task. Similarly, the users can update the like in progress to done. Even you can add the more columns here, like QA, right? So new column is added here. If you go to the our team managed projects of the Scrum template, what the Scrum template we have used, we have to go inside the, if you go inside the backlog, you can see you can create lots of tasks here, and we can create the sprints, and we can assign those tasks inside the sprint, right? So issue type is replicated. There is epic, task, story, bug, subtask. Epic, if you want to make a collection of multiple issues, then we'll rename is epic. Task represent things to be done, right? Story represents requirement expressed from the perspective of the user who are going to use your application. Then there is bug, represents a problem that need to be fixed, and subtask. So let us see. So as I have created some task, my first project, and if I see the timeline, here you can see I can create the epic here, like epic 1, epic 2, epic 3. So different epics I can create, and inside those epics I can create the task. First task, second task, third task. So this way we can create the different epics. So if I go to the board, you can see these tasks are related to the epic, right? So I can edit this one, and this task is not related to any epic while I not created epic at that time. So later on I have created epic, and all the tasks under this epic, right? You can see the epic name here. And while creating the task, see here is, right? You can see this can be issue type. So I can create different types of issue here. So first is the task here, and I can create other. So if you talk about as I'm using Kanban, so task is only there. But if I switch to Scrum and go to the backlog, I'm going to the backlog, I'm creating a task here. Task 1, task 2, task 3. Sorry, I have to just edit this one. I can edit easily from here. Task 3, task 4, task 5. So you can see I can create multiple tasks here. And as we are using the Scrum board, so you can see here the sprint. So I can edit this one, and general duration of a sprint is 2 to 3 weeks. The standard is 2. I'm taking today's date, so you can see next week is already there. Sprint goal, I want to complete the homepage design. Complete homepage, not design, functionality, homepage functionality, right? So this is the sprint, and I can put this task in this sprint one, right? Even I create directly from here also. Task 6, right? I can create a new sprint, like a sprint 2 is already created. After it was till 7th August, then after 7th August to 21st August, JIRA Issues is there. I can put task here, right? So 2 sprint I have created. This is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 task here, and 2 tasks in this sprint. And this is going to start 24th of, and this is going to start on 7th of August. So if you see the board, nothing is showing here because I have not started my sprint. So I need to always start the sprint. So I'm starting here. So see the board. Now tasks are visible here. Now someone is working on this task in progress, this task in progress. When this will be done, move this one. I'm just dragging, right? I'm just dragging. Even this status can be changed from here also, right? Here I'm not started a sprint, so I'll not make in progress this one. And here I can assign to who is working on this one, right? So this is done. You can see strike through is there. You can see here. You can see information about the task, like who is assigning, labels, parent, team, sprint. Already under this sprint is this one. You can put some timeline here. Story point estimate and reporter. So also we can create a sub task within this task, like this was the task one. I'm just trying to sub task one of task one. So you can see for this task I've created one subtask. You can see this is created here. It's showing that one child issue is there. So similarly I can create more subtask. Subtask 2 of task 1, right? So this way you can create the child task also. And you see status is showing on here, and we can go inside the subtask and you can see this is the subtask. From here you can change the status also, like in progress, assigned to someone, right? Also you can put some comments here, comments like to J, I'm typing how, I'm just asking to from J, how is going, right? There is some type problem with it. How is going at J. I'm just typing this one. So you can put comment here by tagging the name of the person to whom you want to send the message, and it will flag here in your notification, right? So this is the issues with which we work. You can see all the history of the task. This is the only history. Comments and history are there. So this is the hierarchy of JIRA issues. So first epic comes, within that story, task, bug, and create your own. We can also create your own type of task. Then there is subtask for each one. And now next is anatomy of an issue. So anatomy means what are the different structure of the issues. So this is the structure. There will be assignee, labels, parent, sprint, story point, estimate, reporter. So all are there here. We have to provide this information to make it more informative about this task. This is how it look like, right? So one thing is there, like I'm just opening, here is the description of it. If you want to put more detail about this task, you can write more description about the task here for each and every issue or task. Like this one is there, you can put description here, right? You can also add some attachment. You can upload some files here. So suppose that I'm just uploading this one. So you can see one file is attached, right? We can add more files. So attachment can be added here. These are the details. These are the more fields. If you're looking to add more fields, we can add more fields here, right? Like configuration. Here I'm looking to add more field, then I'm just adding here, clicking sort name, field name, new field, field field. So new field, if you go to the project, okay, and I was using this one, and I'm just clicking this. So one new field will become here, and this was the attachment I have added here. So next thing is parent and child issues. I've already shown you like this one. For this I've added some child issue, like 2 child issues are there. So this is the child issue, this is the button to create the child issue. Linked issue, like if I want to link one issue with another one, I can put here this issue is blocked by some other issue, I can put like this issue is blocking. So I'm just linking with this issue, right? JIRA Workflows. So what is the JIRA Workflows? So if you see this diagram, here we create an issue. Whenever we're creating an issue, that is in open state. Then we put mark is start progress, then in progress. From the in progress, we can mark it to stop progress, make it open. From here, you can see either we can resolve or reopen and start progress, right? If resolved can be reopened. If open, it can be closed. If resolved, it can be closed. In progress, it can be closed. If reopened, it can be closed. So different way we can perform this open, in progress, resolve, close, and reopen. So if you see JIRA Workflows, there are three unique elements: status, transition, and resolution. So status means what is the current status to do, right? Transition from one state to another, like to do to in progress. Resolution, where like when a task is completed, no longer open, it needs a resolution status. Some examples may include closed, resolved, saved, completed, done, finalized, and etc. This is only available to company managed project. So this resolution, if you're looking, then company managed project templates you have to choose. Now there is a workflow editor. So if you see, this is the backlog. I'm on my board, and if you see, this is the workflow. So this is the workflow right now. Start and it's create and to do created. So any task will create it will be the to do, right? Any task can be changed into in progress. Any task can be changed into the done, and I can update this one. So if I want to add something, new status, right? I can add this one, right? So new status is added here. So any can be added to the new status, right? So this is the one of the, so I'm just putting save and continue, right? So I'm going back, closing this one, and you see one new status is here, right? So in this workflow, one new status type of work status can be there. So this is how we can use this manage your workflow, right? This is the editor. You can edit this flow. So according to your choice, according to your need by the team, you can change the workflow. So guys, hope you liked this complete tutorial of creating how you can create a project, how you can create the issues, how you can change the workflow in JIRA. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. In the next time, I will come with the some advanced feature of JIRA, like automations, how integrate with other apps, etc., etc. Till then, see you soon. Have a great time.